afternoon and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Juliet and you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So today, guess what, guys? Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So guys, that is my song for you guys. I'm so excited that today is Christmas. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. And I'm so excited. Very soon we'll be in New Year, guys. That is crazy. Very soon we'll be in 2021 and I'm so excited. But for the moment, we are in Christmas, the day Jesus was born, the day queens and king were born. So I'm using this opportunity to wish everybody that is celebrating their birthday a Merry Christmas and happy birthday. Happy birthday to all everybody out there that is celebrating this great day, that is celebrating this great moment. I'm wishing you guys happy birthday and a wonderful Christmas. So yeah, guys, today, guess what? I'm not going to be, I just want to glow for my Christmas. I just want to glow. So the other day I filmed a holiday makeup tutorial. I filmed that video like around around 10 o'clock in the night. Yeah, around 10 o'clock. So today now is a afternoon after 12, 5 minutes after 12, and the weather is not that clear and not that dark. So I just want to use this opportunity to film Christmas makeup for you guys. So today I'm going to be filming, I'm going to be beating my face, I'm going to be glowing, I'm going to be shining for Christmas. Not, I don't used to apply makeup all the time, but the time I do, I like to beat my face up and down. So guys, without talking and rambling, let's just dive into the video. So, guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to, like, you know, thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel, so that, you know, if you want me to make more of this makeup for you guys, I will do it. Although I don't normally put some makeup on my face, but anytime I do, I like to beat my face up, and I like it to be so sexy. So instead of going for a red, you know, lipstick, I decided to go with this lipstick, with this look, which is not that bad actually, and I really do like it. And I'm so glad that I filmed this video. If not, I would have regret not filming it for you guys. So guys, yeah, this is my Christmas, you know, makeup look for today, and I'm so glad and I'm so happy on how this makeup turned out. This makeup looks so good, oh my gosh. And this natural light that is just coming, that is why you guys can see it thoroughly. But guys, I'm so excited, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll be wishing you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Okay, bye bye.